Okay, so since it's just a perfectly nice rainy day outside, I've decided to take my dog for a walk because I never take him for walks. And I'll record it. Say hi, Snickers. Look at his cute little jacket. Oh, get out of the camera. Oh, look how cute he is. But I'm gonna be recording while we're walking, and I hope nobody passes us because I don't want people to see me and think I'm talking to myself. Well, I mean, technically I am, but I asked people on Facebook what I should make a video out, and they gave me some really good ideas, but I'm not gonna do them because I'm fucking walking my dog. I'll probably do them some other time. They were really good ideas though, like Viagra and stuff. I don't know. I thought those were really good ideas. Okay, I'll talk about Viagra. It makes your penis large. I don't know. Get out of their yard. No, stop it. They don't want you in your yard. In their yard. Oh, wait. He's gonna pee. Oh my god. This is gold. Just kidding. Get out of their yard. We don't know these people. Come on. People are gonna see me talking to myself and think I'm weird. A car. I don't want people to think I'm weird. Just kidding. People already know I'm weird. Come on. God, freaking dumbass. Tonight we are. Stop it. Why don't I go around the mailbox into a puddle? Oh, you want to smell that dog shit there? Yummy. Come along, you little scoundrel. This video is probably going to be really long. It's already 2 minutes. I'm not even like halfway to the place where I'm going to be walking. Come over here. It's a fucking tree. It's a tree. No, but it's a fucking tree. Yeah. We live in Oregon. That's where lots of trees are. But stop. Oh my god. Come on. Okay. Ready? Go ahead. Oh, I'm walking. Oh, there's a person there. He's gonna see me talking to myself. It's okay. That man already thinks I'm like crazy. We have to stop for everything. He's so interested because I never take him for walks. This is like the first time I can't ever take him on walks. Because I don't want to take him on walks. It's freaking cold out here. It was hot yesterday. Oh my god, there's an old man. I don't want him to look at me talking to myself. Hey there. Can you see him? He's washing a ladder. Oh, more doggies. More doggies. No. Get over here. That old man thinks I'm weird. Go. Oh my god. He saw me talking to myself. We're gonna get hit by a car. That looks like Miss Chimenti, the choir teacher. Quit sniffing everything. I'm trying to make a video. I don't like this game. This isn't fun anymore. My hands are cold. You know what I want? I want bacon. It's really good. I had some bacon earlier. I was trying to make it and I burnt it. Are you fucking kidding me? When you make bacon, you don't burn that shit. And I'm a girl. Girls are supposed to naturally know how to cook. We're not going that way, you motherfucker. People are looking at me weird. Oh fuck. We're on the big road now. So now, a bunch of people are passing us in cars. So if I try and talk to myself, get over here. People are gonna think I'm really weird. You're gonna get hit by a fucking car. And I'm gonna laugh really hard because it's your own damn fault. Just kidding, I'd probably cry a little bit for like 5 minutes. I'd go get another dog. You're a piece of shit. But Oh, there's a biker. Ah, maybe he'll think I'm really weird. And a random person. At least I think it's a random person. Maybe it's not. Puddle! Oh, fuck. Those people are looking at me jumping over puddles like a dumbass. Oh, help people. Help people. Oh, I think I know those people. Come on. I don't want to look like a dumbass. Come on, Snickers. There's an old man again, I think. And then two people. Oh, my dog's taking shit. I'm gonna be quiet while these people are passing. Act normal. Do. Just like hanging around hosts. How are you? Just talking to myself. It's another person. Oh my gosh. Hey, do you want to be in my video? Say hi. Come on, Snickers. Come on. Come on. Oh, how did you get off your leash? Come on here. Oh, never mind. No, you're not. I'm just crazy. Stop going ahead of me. There's a twig. There's a twig. Stop. Stop. Okay. I'm just, when people come by, I'll pretend I'm talking on the phone. Hurry the fuck up. There's cars passing. Come on. You're ruining these people's nice lawn. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even want to pause on Maddie. What a fucking dumbass. Oh, another doggy. There's cars passing. Snow. And this is a very small neighborhood. So every single time people look at me from now on, they're gonna be like, oh, that's that weird girl that talks to herself. Quit barking at the horse. Shut the fuck up. Little person. Oh my god. No, Snickers. Stupid rich lady. What the fuck? What? I didn't even see that. Come on. Come on, doggy. Knock it off. Shut the fuck up. I'm like not even halfway there. Shut the fuck up. Oh my god. Oh, maybe that isn't a rich lady. Smoking a cigarette. Actually, I don't know what that means. Smoking a cigarette doesn't make you any less rich. Okay, she looks like a rich lady, but just smoking makes her look ghetto. Oh my god. That's too hard. Come here. Get across the street. Oh, fuck this. Ah, there's no button. There's no button. Hey, you're gonna get hit by a car. I don't know if you know, but you're gonna get hit by a car. Don't walk. It says don't walk. Oh my god. People are looking at me like I'm motherfucking crazy. Just a girl talking to herself over here on the street. Yeah. Freaking motherfucking crosswalk. You are gonna get hit by a fucking car. This is embarrassing. Yeah. Okay, so these people are staring at me, so now I have to make it kind of obvious and make it slow. You're gonna get hit by a car. My dog's like this close to being hit by a car. I swear to God. Knock it off. He is not like trained right. Oh man. Domino's Pizza. Are you fucking kidding me? I pressed this button, didn't I? Now I have to wait again? I don't care, I'm walking. Come along, dog. Motherfucker. People think I'm weird. Oh well. It is freaking cold outside. Bye.